So let's talk about the difference between vertical lines and horizontal lines. A lot of times you're creating equations of lines and something strange happens. You either get a slope of 0 or you get a slope of undefined and you're unsure of what to do. So let's look at vertical lines first. Vertical lines are going to talk about, so let's take a look. Let's go 3 comma 5 and 3 comma negative 2. Okay. So an indication that this is going to be a vertical line, if I was going to find the equation of a line through them, is the fact that I have repeating x values. If you've learned anything about functions and what can make a function, anytime we have repeating x values, something strange is going on. And so if I'm going, say I don't recognize the repeating x values and I go about finding the slope of a vertical line, I would do my rise 5 minus negative 2 over my run 3 minus 3, and as you can see, this is 7 over 0. We can never divide something by 0. Remember, a fraction is usually a part to whole relationship. So how can we have 7 parts of 0 wholes? Therefore, something strange is going on, and we should always go back to what's going on in the graph. Vertical lines have undefined slope. The reason it's undefined, think of what slope is. Slope is either going up over time, it's going down, or it's staying the same. In this case, what we're saying is at 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, somehow our graph is staying at basically the same time, but skipping from one value to another without time sort of passing on. So that is why it is undefined, and you get the funny business of a 0 in the denominator. Now, on the other side, horizontal lines, so if I say 5, negative 4, and say 3, negative 4, the repeating y values give me the indication that it is a horizontal line. But once again, say you're not sure and you're going to find your equation of the line, I would do my rise, negative 4 minus a negative 4, over my run, 5 minus 3, and I get a slope of 0 over 2. Now this fraction actually makes sense. I have 0 parts left of 2 wholes. So what does this actually equal? Well, it's 0. I have nothing left but 0. When I look at this graphically, it makes sense to have a slope of 0. That just means you aren't changing vertically at all. You're staying the same as you go across. Sometimes you can call this maybe a constant function. So in this case, if I go to 5, negative 4, say we're down here, and 3, negative 4, we're here, it's just a flat horizontal line of slope 0. There is no change. I hope this helps. Again, vertical lines, we are undefined with slope. Horizontal lines, we have a slope of 0.